What is included in the SV803 measurement kit? Let's open the box and find out. A vibration monitoring station with a built-in battery pack. A battery pack charger with cable and regional plug adapters. A vibration station mounting plate with mounting screws and leveling spikes. A USB cable for connecting the station to a computer or for home charging. A Torx screwdriver for hermetically sealing the station cover. A key for easy removal of geophone plugs. A screw for mounting the measurement kit on a wall. With all these components in place, your kit is complete. For more information about SVANTEK products, visit SVANTEK.com.